everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Budgetsew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today, I'm going to show you my fabric haul from Fabricland online. Just a quick note before we get started, the top that I'm wearing is McCall's 7869. The link to the sew along to McCall's 7869 is right here at the top of the screen. I like ordering from Fabricland online. My past orders were exactly as advertised. The fabric came in the full length and not cut into smaller pieces, and the notions were at a great price. Whenever I place an order, I get exactly what I ordered, so I placed another order. Plus, having fabric and sewing supplies delivered to my door is so convenient. The link to the video with my last fabric haul is right here at the top of the screen. The first item I bought was 4 meters of Paint Pot Decor Martella fabric in color 608 Rose. This fabric reminds me of an oil painting with layers and layers of paint and all the beautiful brush strokes. It's 100% cotton and 140 centimeters wide. Since this is a home decor fabric, it's great for curtains, cushion covers, light upholstery, and other indoor decorating projects, as well as bags and other craft ideas. I haven't decided what to use this fabric for, but it was so pretty that I just had to buy it. And this is the fabric here. I bought a bottle of Rit Dymore in Midnight Navy for synthetic fabrics like polyester, nylon, polyester cotton blends, acetate, and acrylic. This is a dye made specifically for synthetic fabrics, which includes anything with 35% or more polyester, acrylic, or acetate. Each little bottle packs a colorful punch and is ready to deliver a custom touch to garments, new and old, household items, and more. It even works on 3D printed items, lacrosse sticks, wigs, and most plastics. I plan to use this product to dye 2 hats and a pair of mittens that I made from a sweatshirt. Now, this sweatshirt was going to be tossed in the garbage because it had a large orange stain on it. It looked like I was shot in the chest with a paintball, but I've never been paintballing. The first hat was McCall's 7805. It's one of their fashion accessory patterns that was published in 1995. I purchased this pattern at Value Village for $1.99. The second sewing pattern I used for the hat and mitts is Simplicity 9749. It was also published in 1995, and I also got it from Value Village. I'll post the link in the description box of this video for the video where I purchased these patterns from Value Village. Now, I did make some modifications to these patterns because I wanted slouchy hats. I didn't have quite enough fabric for a pair of mittens, but I made it work because I wanted to get as much use out of the fabric as possible. The link to the video where I made these items is at the top of the screen. I would like to change the color of the hat and mittens to blue since I don't wear much gray. This is my first time using this product, so stay tuned to Budgetsew to see how everything turned out. I also bought a bottle of Rit Color Stay Dye Fixative. It's an easy to use solution designed to lock in color, keeping fabrics looking their best and brightest for the long run. It reduces bleeding, fading, and even enhances the color of some projects. Use after dyeing to lock in the color or use it immediately after a tie-dye or dip dye project to prevent dye from bleeding into the white areas. Next, I bought 7 meters of 25mm and 7 meters of 38mm gross grain ribbon in navy. The ribbon was on sale for 50% off, so I got it at a great price. I bought this ribbon for the jacket and skirt of McCall's 1643. This semi-fitted button jacket is lined and has patch pockets, ribbon details, and length variations. The fitted line dress has a back invisible zipper and slit. The pleated skirt has a center back invisible zipper, waistband with button closure, and ribbon detail. I'm going to make the skirt and jacket out of a blue or navy blue fabric and add the navy grosgrain ribbon as my trim. I think that the navy blue ribbon will add depth and polish to my jacket. I also bought 2 meters of fusible heavyweight buckram in white for my hats. You can see that it's quite stiff. I've cut out 2 of Vogue 8405 hats from some navy blue fabric, as well as some white fabric with blue and black flowers. Vogue 8405 is a Vogue accessories pattern that was published in 2007. I bought this pattern on sale from Fabricland years ago. The envelope includes patterns and instructions for 4 lined hats, each offered in small, medium, and large. View A and B have 2 trim options for each hat. I'm making View A with the largest brim because it will look quite feminine and flattering while protecting my face from the sun. The fabrics that I chose this time are a lighter weight than the denim that I used previously to make up this hat, and I would like the brims of my new hats to be stiff and straight. This buckram will make my hats unfloppable. I also bought some Taylor brand soft and easy seam binding in dark navy. I bought 2 packages of 2.75 meters or 3 yards. Since I'm currently sewing a lot of blue and navy blue fabrics right now, I thought it would be a good idea to have some of this on hand. I also bought it for a navy blue drawstring beret that I'm making. The drawstring beret is from the book Saturday Night Hat by Eugenia Kim. Next, I ordered a package of aluminum crochet hooks. This set includes 5mm, 5.5mm, and 6mm crochet hooks in gold, red, and blue. I love the pretty colors. I ordered these hooks so I would get started on some crochet projects. I really want to learn to crochet, and most of the projects in the book Crochet Celebrity Slouchy Beanies for the Family, Book 2, use these size crochet hooks. There are so many beautiful hats in this book, such as Pop Star. To make this hat, you'll need medium weight number 4 yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. The final things I ordered were 4 spools of red Taylor brand thread for 49 cents each. The thread is 100% polyester and 150 meters or 164 yards long. On my last order from Fabricland online, I ordered 2 spools of red thread, but I've used most of it up. I used my red thread to sew and top stitch 2 pairs of pants, McCall's 8077 and Vogue 9282, as well as a hat, Vogue 8405. I chose to sew my pants and hat with red thread because of the bright red wrong side of the fabric. Check out the links to my sew-alongs to Vogue 9282, the wide leg pants, and Vogue 8405, the wide brim hat, in the description box below this video. And stay tuned to Budgetsew for the sew-along to McCall's 8007. I hope you enjoyed my Fabricland online fabric haul. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. I love sharing my new, vintage, and out-of-print sewing patterns, and my tips, tricks, quick fixes, and even my mistakes when sewing along with you. I also love sharing my wonderful fabric finds that I thrifted from charity shops, as well as brand new fabric online and in-store. If you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe and press the bell to receive a notification when I release a new video. If you'd like to stay up to date with Budgetsew, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Thanks for watching. See you next time.